Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Today our topic is plant hormone or it's called plant growth regulator. Now start the lecture. First we discuss about the plant hormone, but start the topic, just discuss something. Plants do not have a nervous system for control and coordination as found in animals, but however they respond to external environmental stimuli such as light, temperature, touch and gravitation, but their response to stimuli are not as evident as in animal. Plant response to various stimuli are seen in the form of growth and development. Okay, now but plant possesses chemical coordination in plants that help of certain plant hormone. Clear? Plant growth regulators can also be called phytohormone or it's called plant growth substance. That one classified into two category. First one is called plant growth promoter and second one is called plant growth inhibitor. Now start plant hormone classification. Growth promoters, growth inhibitors and growth promoters and inhibitors both function together. The hormone which are included in the growth promoters are auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin. Three are the growth promoter hormones and others growth inhibitor. One is the abscisic acid or ABA, and growth promoter and inhibitor both function ethylene. Okay. Now first discuss about the growth promoters or plant growth promoters hormone. First one is auxin. The word auxin is derived from the word auxine, that means to grow. Two naturally found auxin name is the indole acetic acid or indole 3 acetic acid and indole butyric acid. They are isolated from the plant naturally. And two synthetic auxins which are produced synthetically, naphthalene acetic acid, that is called NAA, and 2,4-D dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, the short form is 2,4-D. They are synthetic auxins. Okay. Now let's discuss about the physiological effect of auxin. Auxin control the growth of plant cell. They also control cell division in vascular cambium and help in xylem differentiation. They are also responsible for apical dominance in plant. Clear? That means auxin promote growth in apical bud region and inhibit growth of the lateral bud. This is called apical dominance and auxin promote it. They prevent the formation of abscission layer and thereby prevent premature fall of leaves, flower and fruits. Clear? Now here we discuss how auxin actually promote cell division. Clear? Okay. Auxin mainly present tip of the cell. Clear? This is an experiment of the Avena curvature test on the canary grasses. Clear? Two scientists, mainly Charles Darwin and his son Francis Darwin, observed that coleoptile of canary grass responds to an unilateral illumination by growing toward the light source, that is called phototropic curvature. Clear? Phototropic curvature. After a series of experiments, it was concluded that tip of the coleoptile possesses auxin or it calls some substance and that cause help in bending of the coleoptile. Clear? So light source from this side and cell start to divide in this position, and due to dividing this position cell, the tip start bending toward the light. That is called phototropic curvature. Clear? Okay. Now discuss about the uses of auxin. Auxin are used to initiate root and stem cutting or it is called rooting hormone. Clear? Now mainly vegetative propagation. They are used to induce parthenocarpic fruit, that means seedless fruit, like example tomato. Fertilization, without fertilization formation of fruit, and 2,4-D also act as a weedicide, or it's called herbicide, to kill mainly dicotyledon weeds. Clear? So 2,4-D act as a weedicide. They promote flowering pineapple and lychee. Auxin used to prevent premature fall of leaves, flower and fruits. Increase water uptake and cell permeability. These are the main function of auxins. Now another hormone, name of the hormone is gibberellin. Gibberellin is also growth promoting plant hormone. The mainly gibberellin is extracted from the fungus Gibberella fusicori. The active principle was later identified to the gibberellic acid. Active compound is the gibberellic acid, or it's called Ga. Ga3 is the first gibberellin to be discovered and is the most intensively studied. Ga3. Clear? Now, near about 100 gibberellin found, but the Ga3 is mostly studied one. Now discuss about the physiological effect of the gibberellin. They cause elongation of internode. They promote bolting in rosette plant like cabbage, beetroot, and bolting means sudden and excessive internodal growth which result in the elongation of the stem. So look at here in the picture, this is the internode, and after applying the gibberellin, the distance between the two node or its internode is long from the previous. Now gibberellin or gibberellic acid initiate the synthesis of the hydrolase to digest and mobilize the reserve food material of the seed to the developing embryo, and thus it break seed dormancy. Clear? Okay. Now discuss about the uses of gibberellin. Gibberellin are used to increase the length of grape stalk. So here we can see that before applying the gibberellin and after gibberellic acid applying the result. Clear? Grape stalk increase after applying gibberellins. They cause the fruit like apple elongate and improve shape. So increase apple shape after applying the gibberellic acid. They delay senescence and hence the fruit can be left on the tree for longer period. This increase or extend the market period. Clear? Okay, senescence means loss of a cell power of division and growth. So gibberellin delays senescence. Clear? Now gibberellic acid also, or Ga3 also used to speed up the malting processing in the brewing industry. That is the process to steeping and germinating and immersing. Drying grain to convert into malt. The malt is mainly used for brewing and whiskey making. By increasing the length of internode in sugarcane, Ga3 increase the yield of sugarcane about 20 tons per acre. Clear? Now gibberellin also promote the internode length in the cane also, or sugar cane. Clear? So this is a sugar cane and this is the distance between the two internode, and after promoting the gibberellic acid, the distance between the two node is called internode portion is long after applying the gibberellic acid. Now another growth promoting hormone, cytokinins. Cytokinins was discovered as a kinetin from the autoclaved herring sperm DNA. Later several naturally occurring cytokinins and synthetic compound with cell division promoting activity have been identified. Okay, that mainly cytokinins promote cell division. Natural cytokine are synthesized in plants. Region called rapid cell division occurs root, apex, shoot bud and young fruits. Now discuss about the physiological effect of cytokinins. Help in the growth of lateral bud into branches and help to overcome apical dominance. So promote apical dominance, auxin, mainly auxin promote apical dominance, and cytokinin overcome apical dominance. Mainly cytokine help in lateral branches, increase in lateral branches. Okay. Now they are required to differentiation of cell and tissue. Cytokine increase resistance to disease and also to very low and high temperatures. They induce flowering in a plant and induce or enhance phloem transport. Clear? Now another hormone, name of the hormone is ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone, gaseous plant hormone. It enhances fruit ripening and transverse growth. Cousins confirm that the ripened orange releases a volatile substance that hastens the ripen of stored banana. Hastens means hurried or happen faster. Later this volatile substance was identified as a ethylene. So ethylene is a gaseous plant hormone. Clear? And it enhances mainly fruit ripening. Now discuss about the function of ethylene. It promotes horizontal growth of seedling and swelling of the axis. It includes apical hook formation in dicot seedling. It enhances the rate of respiration during ripening of fruits. This phenomena is called climacteric. So climacteric is a stage of fruit ripening associated with the increased ethylene production and rise a cellular respiration, or it is a final step of the fruit maturation and beginning of fruit senescence. Clear? Now it promotes senescence and abscission of leaves and flower. Clear? Senescence means loss of cell power of division and growth. Loss of cell power of division and growth. Okay. And abscission means natural detachment of the part of plant, typically dead leaves and ripen fruits. It promotes root growth and root hair formation. For the root hair formation, root hair mainly help in the absorption of water and minerals and increase the surface area of the root. It promotes rapid elongation of internode and petioles of deep water rice plant and help the leaf to the above the water level. It hastens fruit ripening in tomato and apple. Promote the production of the female flower on monoecious plant. Now discuss about the growth inhibitor hormone. Growth inhibitor hormone is the abscisic acid. Abscisic acid is a growth inhibitor. It retards the suppression of growth, act as a stress hormone. Clear? Another name of abscisic acid is stress hormone. It reverts to gibberellic acid and cytokinins. So function of gibberellin and cytokinins are opposite to the abscisic acid. Clear? Now here we discuss about the function of abscisic acid. First one is the growth inhibitor. It inhibits growth and make auxiliary bud to become dormant with the approach of winter. Clear? Now dormancy. It induces dormancy of tuber, bulb, bud and seed. Clear? Wilting and senescence. It promotes wilting and senescence of leaves. During the dry condition, when water amount is not proper available, then this hormone abscisic acid promote wilting and senescence. Now abscission. It causes abscission and fall of flower and fruits. Transportation. Abscisic acid check transpiration by closing of stomata for prevent more water loss through the transpiration. Okay. Now here we listed all the hormones in a chart and their function. Auxin, the major function, induce apical dominance and parthenocarpy and cell elongation. Now gibberellins break seed dormancy, elongation of the internode. Now another hormone, growth promoter, cytokinins, suppression of apical dominance and delay senescence. Gaseous hormone ethylene, function, major function is ripening of fruits, and growth inhibitor hormone abscisic acid or it is called stress hormone, induce dormancy, induce abscission and senescence. Thank you. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe Science Express.